Show you how to add your social media links to your Mighty Sites website. So the first thing you do is go here to update section at the top, and you will see there are two buttons. One is for updating the location, as it will appear in this top highlight section. The other is for updating your social links. So all I do is click over here on social links. And now when I paste in the link to my social media profile, the logo will automatically appear in the top right-hand side of the appropriate social media platform, along with the link to my site. So I'm going to put in the Facebook page for Mighty Sites. I'm going to put in the Twitter handle for Mighty Sites. I'll put in the YouTube channel, and I'll put in, I don't have an Instagram channel, but if I did that, that would populate as well. So Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook are all supported. As soon as you enter them in, your website will now link to your YouTube channel. So you can see that links over to my business YouTube channel. This links over to the Mighty Sites Twitter account. And then if I click on this, it'll link to the Facebook as well. So that's how easy it is to add your social media links to your website. And then the social media links will also show up down here in the footer as well for your site. And again, if you want to change the colors, just flip it over, and that might influence, the color of the social media links based on the color of the template. So you can just pick one that fits and that you like for how you link to your social media. So that is how easy it is to add your social media links to your website using Mighty Sites.